Hello Skin Functional family, welcome to your YouTube channel. As you know by introduction, I am Kevin and I'll be serving you with Skintelligence. On today's video, I'll be taking you through the power benefits and primary benefits of niacinamide. If you have not subscribed as yet, please do not hesitate. Subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell so that whenever we upload content, you may be notified. And now, to take you through the primary benefits of Blemish Corrector. The primary ingredient here is niacinamide and it comes in 10%. It reduces follicle inflammation and it works very well for pigmentation by inhibiting melanin transfer. Another benefit of niacinamide is that it stimulates the ceramide production in the stratum corneum. Niacinamide also reduces inflammatory acne lesions and it can be used as a spot treatment applied only to breakouts. Skin Functional also gives you power benefits through a formulation of synergistic ingredients. This product contains a marine plant-derived complex. You'll be interested to know that this complex is patented. And this complex is rich in polysaccharides, vitamins and minerals, and it therefore increases elasticity and firmness. And this phenomenal product is anti-inflammatory, is an antioxidant and antimicrobial. That is, it reduces the bacteria that causes acne. The anti-inflammatory ingredients here are bergamot, willow bark and camellia. And last but not least, the antimicrobial and antibacterial ingredients in this wonderful formulation are centella, pine, and cladribine. And my personal favorite power benefit is that niacinamide reduces sebum production up to 70% after just 8 weeks of use. When using this phenomenal product, I would like to give you 2 tips. Firstly, the use of niacinamide. It should not be layered with any serum that has L-ascorbic acid. Reason being that L-ascorbic acid changes the structure of niacinamide to nicotinic acid, and when the structure has been changed, the function will also be changed as well. And this causes irritancy. To give you a second tip, specifically referring to bergamot, there is bergamot, which is an essential oil, and it is typically an irritant and forms many sources of different fragrances. However, in this wonderful formulation of niacinamide, there is no bergamot that is associated with an essential oil. As a matter of fact, it is a water-soluble extract from leaf, and it is entirely different to that of essential oils. Thank you for tuning in on Skintelligence, and if you have not subscribed as yet, please do not hesitate. Subscribe, like, share and hit the notification button so that you can be notified whenever we upload content. Your support is highly appreciated and see you next time. Bye for now.